Welcome back to Traders Mindset Hub. Before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications, because here, we sharpen not just your strategy, but your mindset. Now let's talk about one of the most dangerous enemies of every trader, greed. Greed in trading is that voice in your head that whispers, just one more trade, double the lot size, you can make it all back today. It's the illusion that more trades, bigger positions, or chasing the market will bring faster wealth. But in reality, greed is the shortcut to blowing your account. Think about it, how many times have you hit your profit target? But instead of stopping, you stayed longer and ended up giving it all back. That's greed, and greed doesn't just take your money, it steals your discipline, your peace of mind, and your ability to think clearly. Greed is rooted in our brain's reward system. Each winning trade releases dopamine, a chemical that makes us feel good. That dopamine rush tricks you into thinking, if I just take one more, I'll feel even better. But trading isn't a casino. You're not here to gamble, you're here to execute a plan. When greed takes over, you stop trading your plan and start trading your emotions. That's when mistakes happen. And here's why greed destroys traders. It blinds you to risk. Instead of asking, what's the downside? You only see the upside, you over-leverage. You skip your stop loss, you revenge trade after a small loss. You convince yourself the market owes you something, but the truth is, the market owes you nothing. In fact, greed is the #1 reason profitable traders turn into consistent losers. Not lack of strategy, not lack of knowledge, just lack of control over themselves. So how do you control it? First, you need a trading plan. Define your entry, exit, and risk per trade before you press buy or sell. If it's not in the plan, don't take it. Second, set daily profit and loss limits. Decide in advance, if I make 2% today, I'm done, or if I lose 1%, I step away. This forces you to walk away before greed whispers in your ear. Third, trade small. If you're constantly tempted to over-leverage, lower your position size. Greed feeds on big risks. Shrink the risk, starve the greed. Fourth, focus on process, not profits. The goal isn't to make money fast. The goal is to make good trades. If you can execute your strategy with discipline, the profits will follow naturally. And finally, journal every trade. Write down not just your entries and exits, but also your emotions. Over time, you'll notice patterns, moments when greed sneaks in. Awareness is the first step to control. Here's the mindset shift. Wealth in trading doesn't come from one big win. It comes from 1,000 small, disciplined wins compounded over time. Greed tells you to get rich quick. Patience tells you to get rich surely. So ask yourself, are you in this game for excitement? Or for freedom? Because if it's freedom, then discipline must always trump greed. Remember, trader, the market will always tempt you with shiny opportunities. But the greatest profit is not in chasing every move. It's in mastering yourself. Control your greed, protect your capital, and respect your plan. Because when you master your psychology, you master the market. If this message hit home, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Traders Mindset Hub, and share this with a trader who needs it today. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and keep pushing forward. Your breakthrough is on the other side of consistency.